Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Jessica Olivia with NPM 2541134. I'm from class management 25B. In this presentation, I will explain the basic concept of economics, economic activities, the role of households, business, and governments, as well as important economic issues such as inflation, employment, and globalization. By understanding economics, we can better understand how decisions are made in everyday life and how they affect society as a whole. First, let's discuss what economics is. Economics is the study of how individuals, business, and governments allocate limited resources to satisfy society's needs. It focuses on three main aspects: production, consumption, and resource allocation. In simple terms, economics helps us make choices because resources such as money, time, and materials are limited, while human wants are unlimited. For example, when students decide how to spend their monthly allowance between food, transportation, and entertainment, they are applying economic principles. The next topic is economic activities. Economic activities consist of three major processes: production, distribution, and consumption. In production is the process of creating goods and services. In distribution is the process of delivering those goods and services to consumers. In consumption is the use of goods and services to satisfy needs and wants. For example, a factory produces smartphones. Retailers distribute them to customers, and consumers purchase and use them. These activities are interconnected and form the foundation of every economy. Now, let's look at the role of households in economics. Every household practices economics by managing its income and resources. Households must decide how much money to spend, save, and allocate for future needs. For instance, a family may divide its income among daily necessities, education expenses, transportation costs, and savings. Good financial management helps households achieve economic stability and prepare for unexpected situations. Business play a significant role in economic growth. They contribute to the economy by creating products, providing service, and generating employment opportunities. When business expand, they hire more workers, increase production, and contribute to higher income levels in society. As a result, business helps improve living standards and support overall economic development. The government also plays an important role in the economy. Governments influence economy activities through taxation, public service, and economic policies. Taxes collected from citizens are used to fund public facilities such as schools, hospitals, roads, and other infrastructure. In addition, Government create policies to promote economic growth, control inflation, and improve public welfare. Therefore, government action have a direct impact on the economy and people's quality of life. Another important economic concept is inflation. Inflation occurs when the general price level of goods and services increases over time. As prices rise, people's purchasing power decreases because the same amount of money can buy fewer goods and services. For example, if good prices increase significantly, families will need to spend more money to purchase the same products. This is why controlling inflation is one of the key responsibilities of policymakers. Employment is essential for economic development. Jobs provide income for individuals and contribute to economic growth through workforce participation. When more people are employed, productivity increases and the economy becomes stronger. On the other hand, high unemployment can reduce income levels, lower consumer spending, and slow economic growth. Therefore, creating job opportunities is an important goal for every country. Globalization has connected economies around the world and created opportunities for trade and investment. Today, people can easily buy products from other countries, work for international companies, and access global markets through technology and the internet. Whether we realize it or not, economics influences many of our daily decisions, including spending, saving, investing, and career planning. In conclusion, economics is an important part of everyday life. It helps people make better decisions about spending, saving, and using resources. Understanding economics can improve financial well-being and support economic growth in society. That's all for my presentation about the role of economics in modern society. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation has helped you understand the importance of economics in our daily lives. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.